Johor Bahru, Desa Tebrau, Desa.
Silver Fox.
So here we are, we're in Johor Bahru. This is the Desa Tebrau, and this is the one that somebody's asked for, so we're going to do it. Doesn't look like much from the outside, it's just a big blue box with a bit of yellow and white writing on it. But this is Ikea, and right next to it is going to be something that I think is associated with Ikea as well, another big shopping centre. So see, and it's right across the road from Taman Desa Tebrau, which is one of Johor's best shopping centres, in my humble opinion. So let's get on the bike and ride in there. Let's go see what we can find. Here's the bike parking area. This very nice car park. Lovely, clean, shiny floor. I'll be totally honest, it's an Ikea. It's going to be like any Ikea in any other country you've been into. But, you know. And I probably will go and eat the meatballs, but I'll tell you now, I don't think they're all that. I don't know what the fuss is about. You'll probably get better ones in a tin. We're getting ready for Chinese New Year here with the Chinese lanterns. Let's go and have a look. We'll start upstairs, not downstairs, but here you go over here. I like the way they do things in Ikea, the way that they set up displays. It's a nicely done building. And like so many in Malaysia, it seems well maintained so far. We'll start upstairs. So yeah, we have lots of empty space that I don't know what's going to happen with or what the plan is. Anyway, let's just do a general walk around and have a look. Wow, that's very 80s. They absolutely do a fabulous job with their displays. These are nice. $6.99. That is superb, actually. If you've been in any Ikea anywhere in the world, this is what you see. I really feel like you're walking through someone's house in some of these, and it's just fabulous. To me, this place should be a massive success because Johor's been crying out for some proper furniture shops, a place where you can just look around without being hassled by people, and this is definitely that. And it's well done. I like the wallpaper. I'm just walking around and around and around and around and around. There's so much stuff in here and just so many pathways. I think I'm lost. I might need to send out for help. So, things I hate more than life itself. Following a huge queue of people who walk at like ridiculously slow speeds, or who stop unexpectedly, or who just stand still in the middle of a pathway. And so IKEA to me is hell, because you're just following a mass of people who are just intent on stopping at every possible opportunity to look at something, which is fine, that's what they're here for. But I just find that just so effing annoying. I also forgot to mention people that make an abrupt turn in front of you, people that cut you off, they even thinking, they're just not knocking IKEA. This place is excellent. You could definitely shop to drop here and buy everything you need for your house. It's got the lot, and the prices look very good. But just following this trail of humanity. So lots of things. I'm a very impatient person, and I was going to eat some meatballs for you just because, but it's just packed with people, and there are empty seats, but the place is packed. I don't want to eat meatballs bad enough to join that huge queue. I just don't. So excuse me while I don't eat meatballs. I'm going to carry on downstairs and try to get out of this place. Alright, so I'm failing in my duty. I can't spend my whole time just walking around every inch of this place because it's going to drive me crazy. People just get in your way and gotta get out of here. But here's the deal. Go to IKEA, you can literally furnish a whole property from IKEA. That's all I need to say. The quality of the stuff is very good. Prices are very good. The meatballs, you can decide for yourself. I've got to get out of here. It's driving me balmy. Oh, don't get me wrong. If I came here with my wife and we were looking to buy something for the home, then this place would be just fine. But I'm just trying to do a walkthrough, and it's impossible. It's just everybody in your way. You are here. Oh, I didn't do the whole thing. It would have taken me forever and nobody would have watched the video anyway. But I did a lot of it. And I'm sure that you loved it all, didn't you? That's the way you're meant to come out. That's where the cash registers are, and F going there. So it seems to be a fair leap of faith to open a new huge mall next door when you haven't even filled this one. But see that time and time again here, so here we go. I guess this is it. So we're done. We're out of here.
And you got to be on camera and you got to be like, do it.
Yeah.
Hit that like and subscribe button.
Absolutely.
Silver Fox.